my name is Huang Pan. I heard about this place from one of my friends. He told me this is the best place ever. And I messaged the owner on their social media page, which has 4.3 million followers on Instagram so far. I fell in love with the design of the place because it looks like a spaceship. And I like spaceship because I like Elon. I love this place. And the people here are so nice. It's been a very magical experience because of the people and the environment. I hope nobody watches this because I'm going to tell the truth. Started losing my hair because I'm going to the gym and I use my first cycle and I started losing my hair. My first cycle running high testosterone, HGH2 and HGH3. And then now I'm at HGH4. So I stopped I stopped taking HGH hormone replacement because every time I was taking a shower, I was losing locks and locks of hair. So, and it got really bad to the point where my hair was just falling out every day because of the amount of testosterone I was taking. So when you're high on testosterone, you're going to lose hair. And then the only way that's why Chris Bumstead is doing hair implants, because when you have high test, you're going to lose hair. This is my gift for myself to keep my hair. I met Fatih yesterday. He was amazing. Yes, he's the owner he designed my hairline. I spoke with him, and then afterwards we did the surgery for, I think the total of 6 hours, we completed everything. If you come here, the facility and the people here are amazing, and that they're so kind and they're warm-hearted, and they make you feel like a home when you're away from home. A really nice experience.